don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Marumo Kalan 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Thank you, ngiyabonga Sibonga mfethu. Abafethu, my name is Ayanda Mgidlana, well known as Goke. Ngicela ukubulisa abathandi nabalandeli bebhola lase South Africa bonke. Ngiyabonga abafethu. Hope ni right emakhaya. Mesibheke Kaizer Chiefs idlala eMarumo Gallants namhlanje bafethu. Le game namhlanje lena bafethu it has izinto ezibhaya kuyo cause yazi thina amasandawana vele mesifuna ikhosi lenze something, you know, to put a little bit of pressure ku Orlando Pirates. This win Kaizer Chiefs ifaka pressure ku Orlando Pirates. Thibo, I remember there was a time sise Dobsonville. Kaizer Chiefs was playing against the Simba, and I talked about the spine, Kaizer Chiefs spine. Kaizer Chiefs spine, I'm talking about Peterson, I'm talking about Ukwinika, I'm talking about Umekethi, I'm talking about Undlovu, I'm talking about Maboy, and then I'm talking about Usilva Phambili or Ecuador Phambili. This is the spine. I said Kaizer Chiefs that day, Mrs. Dobsonville, if they can consistently play these players every game and they make sure with Bangabina injured and pray Bangabina injured, Kaizer Chiefs is somewhere. Sure. Now you can see there's progress. The spine is there. So ngasho other players that are gonna come in, they are just amateur joints. Abo Velepai, Abo Vilagazi, Abo Shabalala. Once the spine sime kahle, it's easy for the youngsters ukuthi bakwazi ukushine, you know. So today ngibona ukuthi uNdlovu amqalisanga, but they still maintain a key piece kulesa spine lesiyana, which is Umaboy, you know. And they noticed ukuthi no, Umaboy uyafunctiona, but now there's a missing thing ukuthi Umaboy means ukuthi ashine. That's why they bring in uNdlovu. Singekayi kakhulu kuNdlovu ngoba manje mase siya kuNdlovu esizuze esiya kude because there's the kumele sinikeze uNdlovu isikhathi sakhe. But what I'm saying ukuthi ama coach eKaizer Chiefs babonele into engiyibonayo ukuthi sibe ne spine. First build the spine. Once the spine is there, everything iba easy ukuthi ilandele. So I feel ukuthi tactically ama coach Chiefs, they are very acute in terms even game reading yabo. I feel ukuthi they knew what uNdlovu uzobalethela in, and it was part of the plan to say let's not work our asset to iqale manje aqale ne game uNdlovu be impact player. Let's use him as impact player because we know into akazozilethe grounded. Lalela mfethu uNdlovu, we're not talking enough about the outlayer. uNdlovu uyochange the game. uNdlovu took the tempo ye game to the next level. The game tempo ye game, it was mongathi kudlala ama game awu bottom half before uNdlovu angena. But ithe mangena uNdlovu, you could see ukuthi manje sikhuluma ngeteam number 2 elikini manje. uNdlovu is very competitive. Uyangithola uNdlovu player olidingayo. What I like also about uNdlovu akathola ama injury. I like player ngathola ama injury and he works. Uyangithola and mina mangithi uNdlovu uyasebenza bafethu, ngikhuluma mina ngokumaka. Ngikhuluma ngebhola, passing yakhe. How many times did you see uNdlovu lose ibhola? How many times one of our colleagues ngitshelile ngathi ngicela ubheke uNdlovu ukuthi ibhola luza kangaki. Even next game akadlala ngicela umbheke ukuthi uNdlovu uluza kangaki. uNdlovu akaluza ibhola. Wes makahlangane noMaboy bashayini to touch. There was a time they created a chance between noMaboy bashayini to touch esayidini because uNdlovu is good. uNdlovu bafethu, he can read the game. He's one player that can read the game. He's always 10 steps ahead. Even though anga receive ibhola abheka amapala wakhe, which he'll never do that. He's always kunalento lena siba bathi have 10. Ngiyangithola. He will never straight kanje uNdlovu ibhola lizela. Ishama middle field amabhaya lonto le. Because my middle field amelo receive sideways. So that one eye libona ngale, leli eye libona ngapha, nangapha uyakwazi ukubona, nangapha uyakwazi ukubona. I-vision yakho uyakwazi ukubona. You always aware ukuthi behind you kwenzakalani. Ngiyangithola. So uNdlovu uNtswemi ngalonto le, that is why you see ukuthi akatribuli uNdlovu. Akusumuntu ozobamba ibhola, abamba ibhola, shy step over ayenzeni. But you'll never win ibhola kuNdlovu because uhlezi askena. Even though ungafika kuye, he knows how to protect the ball. Many times bakwazi ukufika kuye, but he'll always win a foul. There was a time beze be 4 kuye around here nesigubhini by 4, but you managed to win a foul, to draw in a foul, win a foul. So uNdlovu bafethu is a special player for me. And I feel ukuthi abantu beKaizer Chiefs really you start need to back up uNdlovu, give him the praise that he deserves. And what he has uNdlovu, discipline. The guy's discipline, the magnitude egame yakhe la ikhona. He's supposed to be big-headed. He's supposed to be one of those players babona kuma post masambi itratini. But no, he's very humble. You can go umphe uNdlovu ku TikTok yakhe, account yakhe. He has got less following. less for I think ukuthi kulama player we Kaizer Chiefs manje siwajwayele thina ama player Kaizer Chiefs, he's the player in the less following, but manje grounding he's the player on the most impact.
Aka host ama live njengomtshela.
Hayi umngane wami lo hayi. Iskins.
Mangena ku TikTok yamthola.
Hayi azibutshela. Ayilukisa mkhuthu, ayilukisa. So bafethu and then we go to uPeterson. There was an outcry in South African football ukuthi we lack South African born goalkeepers, ukuthi la South Africa we lack goalkeepers a lot. That goalkeeping department we've been lacking a lot. We find ourselves in a situation ukuthi a lot of teams in the PSL they are ama goalkeeper are foreign players, meaning that when it comes to Bafana we lack goalkeepers. And right now goalkeeping in terms of our goalkeeper it's a crisis in South African football. I'm happy to see Peterson raising his hand the way ayenza ngakhona. I'm happy for goalkeeper weSkhukhune uLena naye aphakamisa isandla. It means now we've got 2 goalkeepers who are on form, 2 goalkeepers esingabathatha to the next tournament sidlale ngabo. They've got it everything. I think ukuthi bazoyenza i-competition ibe fit. And already sesinayo center back. Sesiyalungisa manje lungisa Bafana. Sesinayo center back uMbokazi. Now it's a matter ukuthi sithole umuntu right footed ozodlala noMbokazi in that center back. And then we're going to go and look for a right back ne left back. So I feel ukuthi uMbokazi ulaphayana. Yes, no Makhathi singamletha. Uyangithola, but uMakhathi the problem naye left footed. So we need someone. We already have Makhathi, we have already uMbokazi center back pairing, but we need someone to pick up inyawo. I feel ukuthi with more game time, Ukhoza could be one of those players to come in ahlale kula position leyana, but as manje angadlali kakhulu Ukhoza nayo sadinga ugrow. I feel in the near future uzoba sharp, but otherwise bafethu going to game ya Saturday for Orlando Pirates, I feel ukuthi ucoach Orlando Pirates manje uyafeel ukuthi ucoach Orlando Pirates manje is feeling the heat. Now the real pressure manje PSL iqalile manje, the Betway Premiership has officially started manje, the pressure is in and sobona Saturday ukuthi kwenzakalani. All the best ngiyabonga.
Thank you Njaya. Ayi konke ezinye